Here in Wisconsin, we will issue you the crappiest license plates from the DMV known to man, and then turn around and pull you over, write you a ticket for improperly displaying license plates, and then tell us it's not your problem, it's our problem to correct. And then if we put a clear license plate cover to protect these crap ass plates, you write us a ticket for having a cover on our damn license plates. You just can't win with any government or any agency ever. Just get rid of it all.